find myself looking in your eyes. But for now, we'll go on living separate lives.
Yes, for now, we'll go living separate lives.
But still, we found a way right back to this stage, singing for the most important people, the ones we love the most, who kept us together. That's you! If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time we'll never end. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause I swear from the heart. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. The best of romances deserve second chances. I'll get to you somehow, 'cause I promise now. This time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Ladies and gentlemen, the concert queen, Pops Fernandez.
Our concert king, Martin Rivera.
So that's the whole story in a nutshell. You
Alam
see?
niyo po, na grabe,
You see
no?
what happened?
So,
You see?
sir, you got the story, right? Okay, so keep holding her hand. That's a secret. And keep giving her flowers. But guess what, Mark?
Flowers die.
What? No. Guess what? Lately, I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand.
That's one of the set list.
Ayan. Wala. I just wanted to put that there, you know.
Good. You haven't moved, sir. I just want to make sure you're alive. Everything's good. Your hat hasn't moved, nothing. Relax. Breathe. Ganyan siya the whole night.
Because he's listening to our
You good, sir?
story.
Where are you from, sir?
Oh,
That's your wife. Okay, where are you from? This is my
This
wife.
is takot.
Talk to the wife.
Yes, alam na po namin ang tawag dyan. Understanding.
Understanding.
Ayan.
Understanding.
Sobra.
Under.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yakuza?
No. Ano po ibig sabihin na yun? Takot sa asawa.
Takot sa asawa.
Yung
Tama ba
pala.
yun? Tama ba yun?
Takusa.
Oh, takusa.
Takusa.
Sabi mo, yakuza.
Oo, halata po.
Takusa, takot sa asawa. Like under
Halata.
desaya. Ganon. No?
Hindi niya sinabi yun.
Sino bang under sa ating dalawa? That's a good question. Very good, sir.
Wala po akong chance mang under.
Was I a control freak?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Do you have to ask the...
Don't,
yeah.
don't bring that up anymore.
Okay, no.
Sir, where did you meet? Ask your wife.
He forgot.
Where did you meet?
Sir.
Internet?
Ano? Sa
It was
slot
still
machine.
dial-up
Sa
at
slot
the time.
machine. It was love at first sight. Ako na, pwede.
Stockton? Stockton, California?
Stockton,
With
California.
all the cows or no? No, all of them? No?
Sir, gusto nyo kayo na lang dito, sir.
And how long have you been married?
30-something years.
30-something
Yan yung
years.
sign. Yung hindi
That's
na
a
alam yung
career.
something.
Give them a round of applause. That's a
30-something
lot of years.
I know.
And what is the secret to the success of your marriage?
Takusa nga.
No.
Ano po, sir? Ang ganda na answer niya. Ano ang secret? If you have a concert, you bring your wife. Ayan.
No.
Thank you, sir.
If you have a concert, my wife sits in the front row, is what she said, right?
Thank
Hindi
you.
libre ito, ah.
Ano?
30 years married.
30 plus.
30 plus
30
years.
something.
Anong tawag mo sa kanya? May pet name ka ba? No?
Oh, no.
Maybe that's the secret. No pet names.
Okay. No.
Any pets at all?
Malabo kausap talaga. Dala
I'm
lang po
just
lang
trying to
ng
get to
jet
know my
lag.
audience here.
Yes,
because
yes.
Our demographics have changed.
Well,
Before the girls used to jump over the wall.
Hoy, Martin, halika, Martin. Martin,
Sa'yo yan.
halika mo ako dito, Martin. Hawakan mo yung ibin ko. Hawakan mo yung ibin ko.
sobra.
Halika mo ako, halika. Halika!
Hindi ako papayag. Dahil yung audience ko, energetic pa, di ba?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Show them what you got.